got back from New Zealand. For the second time, VAMP TV was invited to speak at the World Indigenous Peoples Conference on Education, or WIPCE, in Auckland. I got to tell everyone how education works up here in the bush and what we do at VAMP TV to help. Here we are at WIPCE 2025 and I'm here to present about VAMP TV to the audience and hopefully everyone enjoys. First Nations people from all over the world came to share their knowledge at WIPCE. Apart from all the really interesting seminars, there were plenty of things to do. The keynote speeches, live music, the Parade of Nations, cultural tours,
connection to the natural world that we know how to read the signs.
Then it was our turn to present. This was our second trip to WIPCE and we can't wait to get to the next one, all the way in Hawaii.